Yo, what's up, y'all? This is my new project car, y'all, that I got for less than $3,000. Now, it's not gonna look like much right now, obviously. So it's a plain, unmodified stock car. Y'all, I got this 2008 Infiniti G35 Sedan. I'm sorry, y'all, it's not a coupe, but I got it for less than $3,000, y'all, at the price of $2,800. Now, y'all, this is gonna be an interesting project, an interesting take that I'm gonna take on this vehicle. What I'm gonna do is gonna be modifying it. We're gonna obviously clean it up, make it reliable, have some fun with it, and we're gonna be able to sell this car at the end of the day for profit, y'all. Well, that's the goal at least. Now, $2,800 can get you a car, y'all, but obviously with that price, you're gonna have some more expensive problems. Now, if you're paying less than $5,000 for any car, problems gonna be a little bit more pricey for things in that sort. But y'all, we have a few things in this car that I'm gonna be showing you guys the problem points. We're gonna be reliably making it fun. We're gonna do some OEM plus mods as well, and we're gonna be doing all that throughout this series, y'all. So stay tuned for the 08 G35 series, y'all. All right, y'all. Well, here it is, the 08 G35. Now, some people's gonna ask, why would I buy a third G? Well, the goal for this is gonna be very simple, y'all. We're gonna turn this into a budget G35. Gonna make it clean, OEM plus, and reliable, and we're gonna be able to flip it for profit. Now, to get there, it's gonna take some challenges, y'all. But I'm going to give y'all right now my uncut raw impressions of the first day of taking delivery of this car and bringing it home to the crib, y'all. What's up, bro? See what I got? Another G, y'all. Third G to add to the collection, bro. Now, this is going to be a little bit different, bro. Hopefully y'all can hear me. There's some background noise. But this is a different G, bro. I'm not going to go full out custom everything like how I did my G37, which is right here. Look at that shit, bro. That shit looks good, bro. 37 looks crazy, bro. But the 30, this is a 08 G35, 170,000 miles, y'all. But look at the fucking paint, is clean, bro. You wouldn't even know if I didn't tell you, bro. You would have looked at like maybe like 100K miles. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's a clean car, bro. So this car is gonna be different, bro. It's gonna be, I'm doing an OEM plus build, bro. I'm gonna show y'all that you don't have to like full rice out G's. Y'all don't gotta like crap with them, bro. They can look good, bro. Like just simple OEM plus stuff. You know what I'm saying? Maybe like get some spacers, you know what I'm saying? Get some little lowering springs, little like, you know, interior shit, you know, some simple stuff, bro. And I'm gonna show you how to do all that for a budget, bro. I know there's a lot of y'all that watch my videos and ask me, like, how can I get a G, bro? What prices are good for a G? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all that you can make this happen, bro. I got this car for, should I even tell them the price yet, bro? Nah, you gotta wait for the price. You gotta wait for the price, bro. You gotta wait, yeah. W price though, for sure, bro. This is not full yet, bro? God damn, bro. Now look at the price, bro. Look at the price, man. You pay, yeah, you pay. Oh, that's crazy. It's still going, nigga. I still gotta fill up my tank, bro. G owner shit. That G shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I feel like, is it leaking out at the bottom, bro? Cause what the fuck, bro? No, it's not leaking. What the fuck on the gas for, bro? It's not leaking, bro. I think it's eating gas. Empty, bro. They gave me the car, bro. Literally like the last like drop of gas, bro. So, look at another G driving by, bro. Welcome to slow G35 meets slow G37. This very moment, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I was high-key scared. You guys probably don't really see it too much, because I'm always smiling, you know, I'm always like a smiling person, but I was high-key scared because this was a big risk, and we're driving the car, you know, we bought it, it wasn't really sight unseen, but it kind of was a sight unseen thing, because like I didn't really get a chance to test drive and stuff because the roads were closed and we didn't have dealer plates at the time, so they want to go too far with it, so we couldn't really test drive it too far. So I was kind of a little sketchy to me, but I was like, yo, if I'm always scared, you know, I'm never gonna take a risk. And like I took a risk last year on the Blue G, and you know, the only difference was that was $500. This is a $2,800 risk, so you know, there's more money involved, and obviously I don't want to lose money. But yeah, all in all, I'm pretty confident in the build. I think it's gonna go really far. I think it's gonna be pretty good. I just know that like if I keep having that mentality of, you know, being scared and like scared to like take a challenge or take on risk, like I'm not gonna make no money. Like that saying, y'all, scared money don't make no money. I gotta cut these where I put the cutter, bro. I gotta cut the zip ties, bro. But y'all, if y'all ready for this build, bro, make sure y'all lock in, bro. You know, like the video, subscribe, bro, because this video's gonna be crazy, bro. And I'm gonna be selling at the end of this video, all these videos, bro. I'm gonna be selling this G, bro. So this is like real shit, bro. If y'all want to buy this G, bro, clean G35 08, bro, with some tasteful mods, hit your boy up, because it's gonna look good at the end, bro. Wait till y'all see that shit, bro. Transmission gonna go crazy, bro. typical New York City shit in the background, bro. You know what I'm saying? Typical Brooklyn shit, bro. I'm chilling, bro. All right, bro. Let's go fucking get up out of here, bro.
Get out of here. I'm driving this shit, y'all. I'm driving this shit, y'all. Oh, man. Yo, thanks for getting me the G, bro. Appreciate you for getting me the G, bro.
You're welcome, bro.
Thank you, bro.
You're welcome, bro. You know what I'm saying? Real shit, bro. I had to look out for my guys, bro.
Yo, little do y'all know, this nigga's not getting this shit back, man. I'm taking it straight to the crib, man. You never gonna see this shit again.
What you said to the camera, bro?
Nah, nothing, bro.
Let me cut these shit, bro. Alright, y'all, so this is the 08 G35, right? That was my first impression of this, me getting it to the crib, y'all. Shout out my boy Vic, bro. W friend, because honestly, I couldn't get it here without him, y'all, because I can't drive 2 cars, obviously, y'all. But W him, bro. Now, obviously, there's a lot of problems with the car. I haven't mentioned this yet. So, in the next couple of videos, we're going to be fixing a lot of things, y'all. One, I have to get the alignment, bro. He was basically driving the car with the steering wheel upside down and, like, sideways and stuff. It was crazy. I know he was probably, like, struggling to realize how to turn and everything. 2, the car is pissing oil, bro. Like, I mean, like, it's, like, legit, y'all. It's pissing oil. Like, from the valve covers, the gaskets is blown. And I blame the person who commented on my TikTok, bro, and was like, these cars always leak at the valve covers. Because I never had that problem until he said that, bro. Thank you very much. 3, y'all, the car has a light for, like, ABS and traction and that stuff. I think it needs new ABS sensors, so I have new ABS sensors I'm going to install in. 4, it also has a check engine light for codes of camshaft sensors and stuff. Hopefully, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, hoping it's not a timing chain problem, nothing like that. We're just gonna hope it needs some new oil and then new cam sensors, and we're gonna be good to go. 5, I know y'all probably like, damn, when is he gonna be done? I'm almost done, y'all. 5, it's just the paint, in my opinion. Some of the stuff is a little bit imperfection, so I'm going to be trying to like doing like a paint correction to clear some of the scratches, so the car looks really presentable. And then lastly, touching the interior, y'all. Now there's actually a little bit of a spot, something back in this interior right here, like a food or something. I don't know what it is. I hope it don't attract no ants. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what it is. Hopefully not. We're gonna be cleaning up this interior, and I'm gonna make it look crazy good, y'all. So make sure y'all stay tuned, y'all. Now, obviously, y'all, this is the 08 G35. It's not a 2020 car, so some things are going to be a little bit more harder to work on with rust and whatnot. But this is you know, that's what makes the challenge. You know, it makes it fun. You know, we got to tackle new things, new challenges to go on and tackle. Hopefully, y'all fuck with this build, because honestly, y'all, this is going to be a challenge for me to just work on, y'all. So make sure y'all stay tuned to all the videos. Catch you on the next video, y'all. Peace.